Alright, so this recipe is going to be smoked potato salad. I got this one from my buddy Skidmark down in California. He sent it up to me, and the recipe is stupid proof and it's amazing. And so literally you start by foiling up a pan, just for easy cleanup. I sprayed the pan with some duck fat and then cut up the potatoes, threw them on. Now I'm going to spray the potatoes a little bit and see if I can get that. There we go. Spray that up. And then for seasoning, I'm going with Meat Church Honey Hog and Meat Church Holy Cow. And then we're going to get them on the grill. I've got the grill set at 225 degrees super smoke. And then we'll do that for like half hour, 45 minutes, and then we'll crank it up to 350 until they're just nice and soft. At that point, we will bring them in. I will make up a mixture. I'll show you all that. And then in the fridge, and then after an hour of it setting, it's ready to eat. It's a simple side dish, and it is delicious. I can't thank Skid enough for sending that one to me. So let's get this on the grill. Alright, so let's get started. We're going to make the actual mixture for the potato salad. So I'm really good at measuring. So we're going to go that much mayo, and that much mayo, and then that much mayo, and then there, then this much pickles, and then we'll put some, I'm using almond oil. You can use olive oil, whatever you want, but this stuff is amazing if you can get it. I do recommend it, just a splash of that. And then I like truff. You can use any hot sauce you want, but the red truff is our favorite. It's the hottest, and it's nice. This was not recommended by Skid because he don't like heat. And then your favorite mustard. You can use a Dijon, whatever, grainy mustard. My wife prefers just classic yellow mustard. And then you can put a little bit more seasoning in if you want, and I will. So I'll go with the same seasoning that I put on the potatoes, just a splash of both. Meat Church Holy Cow and Meat Church Honey Hog. And then we'll mix her up. And then I'm going to set it in the fridge for a bit while the potatoes are cooking. Then the potatoes will come off, we'll cool them down in the refrigerator, and then we'll mix it all up together and then serve it about an hour later. So I'll show you kind of what it looks like, the consistency, the texture, the color, everything. It smells amazing. You can eat this. This literally can be used on top of a burger as well, like kind of like a homemade Big Mac sauce, but if you're going to do it that way, I prefer chopping up a couple white onions on it as well. It's amazing. But for the potato salad, I don't actually want any onion in it. That's what we're looking at right there. So we'll mix that with the potatoes once they're all fried and crispy on the grill, and cool it off, and then we're eating. Let's check on the taters. First things first. Now, to check on the potatoes, see if they're done, I do not go by a temperature, I go by feel. As soon as it goes through really easy, they're done. Just like checking a baked potato. They're all done. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take these off. We're going to get them into the refrigerator, let them cool completely. Once they've cooled completely, we'll put them in the mixture that I made, and then we'll serve them. Right on, let's get them off. Okay. First things first. Alright, so I've got the potatoes cooled now, so they're all seasoned up and cooled, so we'll throw them in a bowl. And then we will add our little mixture we made at the start, and we'll mix it up real nice. So let's, I guess for camera's sake, let's do it this direction. And then we will stir it up real nice. Get it all coated in there. So there's pickles, there's mayo, there's hot sauce, there's mustard, seasoning of your choice, all that, yada yada yada. So once we have it mixed up here, we're going to put it back in the refrigerator again for a little bit until we're ready to eat. So, and then we will serve it with a little bit of scallions or chives on top. So that's it. As simple as that.